Hey everyone, as you can see today I'm with a new unboxing video right now, and today I have Pico 4 with me right now, and I'm really excited to do this unboxing, and I want to show you guys what's inside the box. I purchased this from China and I spent around 3,000 yuan for this, and when I purchased this I also got this face cushion, and this version is 256 GB storage version. And if you can see, there are some games that gonna be available for this platform, and you can check it on the back of the box. And if you check the top of the box, they have some small information regarding the features and also the contents that included inside. And as you can see, they are saying like it's more than 4K, Ultra HD, 6 DOF. This headset is a standalone VR headset. If I check on the bottom of the box, you can see there are some QR codes. You can scan it and get some information. From the outside, you can see there are like a nice cool design of the headset and the new controllers, and I'm really excited to check these controllers and how it feels and everything. I'm gonna do that in this video, but mainly I'm focusing on showing you the content inside this box. But if you guys want to check the specifications and all, you can also go to the Pico website and check the specifications. And without any delaying, let's get some unboxing. Okay, first I'm gonna have some blade and I'm gonna open the box up. So Okay, let me check how to get this thing open. The first you have to slide the outer cover. It's like this, kind of similar as the Pico Neo 3 box. So I'm gonna take this away. And here's the big box. It has a nice cool Pico logo, and let's see if I'm opening this correctly, and let's open it. I think I have opened it correctly. So as you can see, here you have the Pico logo. So I hope I opened it correctly. So here you have the other parts. First I'm gonna check the contents. Then I'm gonna go over the headset. So let's see what we have here. So I'm gonna open these. Oh, okay. Then I'm gonna take off the box. So let's see what we have inside this box. Okay. So there's a quick guide here, and so there is a quick guide how to set up the headset. I mean, also the controllers, so how you wear it, and it's also in Chinese and English as well, so there's no problem about understanding the instructions. There is a user guide, and for the user guide also in English. So you can go through the user guide, and there is also a Chinese part, and there's these English. So there are English instructions as well, so it's really convenient. So you can go through the instructions. I'm gonna check this later, and if I have any question related to the headset. So there is a safety warranty guide. When I purchased this, I heard, I talked with, when I purchased this, they said the Pico itself gonna give me 1 year of warranty. So if there is any problem, any problems with the headset, I can have some repairs. And there are some information related to the warranty. And here you have some nose pieces here, as you can see. Here, I'm gonna open it up and see what it is. Oh, I have another extra eyepiece here, so I can change it. So I'm gonna leave it later. So there is the nose piece, some replacements. You have a charger and also the cables. So you also get the straps for your controller. I'm gonna take the whole thing, and yeah, I also get a Type-C cable for connecting to the PC and charging whatsoever. Put it back. So the charging base. So that's all inside this side of the box. I'm gonna take off the main box and show you the main content. Let's take the main headset. As you can see, the headset is not that heavy, and it's really slim. The plastic and everything is really cool, and it has a nice cushion. And here as you can see, there are some stickers you can take off. Here you have the battery and the dusting strap, so you can fit your headset to your head. I'm gonna take off the eye covers. Oh, they have big lenses right now. And if I were to put to my head, it's look really comfortable. So I'm also gonna take off the front. There's a nice look, and the headset is white itself, so I'm gonna take off the old stickers. It feels really small, and it's not that heavy like Pico 3. So I think it's an improvement. The lenses are pancake lenses. I'm really excited to check it out, how it feels, and what's the difference between Pico 3 and this Pico 4. So as for the cameras, you have these tracking cameras around, like there are 4 cameras as you can see, and there is a middle camera also here. As for the buttons, you can see there's a power button here, and in here you can find the USB-C connector. Now I'm gonna go through the controllers. As you can see, the controllers seems to be really different than the Pico 3 controllers, and I think this one is right controller. Yeah, left controller. This one is left controller. The button structure is same as the Pico 3, but it has a different design, and it's really light and it's a little bit comfortable. But I wish it was like a little bit bigger if I were to play some games and all, but still it's really convenient to use. And the button wise, there is a menu button on the left controller, and there is a button. I'm not sure what does this button do. I have to check it through the headset. And here you have a snapshot button. And others are kind of same. What I'm really interested is about the battery. The battery seems to be a replaceable batteries, so I don't see any charging here from USB-C. So let me open it. So there is a small button that you can drag and open it, and I can slide it up, and then I can take it off. As you can see, there are batteries. These are alkaline batteries, and I'm hoping it is rechargeable. I'm gonna take off this plastic so I can use the power. So I'm gonna put it back. And I got a beep, and it has a blue light blinking. Now I think it's trying to detect my headset. So I'm gonna do the same thing for this controller as well. I'm gonna drag it up, and I'm gonna drag the plastic so I would be able to use the power. So I'm gonna press it back, and it also started blinking, and it seems the indicator is trying to detect my headset. Oh, one thing I figure out, there are volume buttons on the top. They have switched the volume buttons to here, so now you have the volume buttons on the stripe. This is something I forgot to mention because I didn't see it. So the next thing is I'm gonna show you the extra face cushion I purchased along with my headset. So I'm gonna open this as well. I'm not sure what's inside. I don't have any clue actually. So I'm gonna open it up. So there's a silicone gel. There's nothing else. Yeah, I got a face cushion, and if I compare with this, it seems to be similar. Doesn't have much differences actually right now. I think it's yeah, it's the same cushion. The feeling is same. So if I were to detach it and replace it, I can just take it off like this. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys really excited to get your own Pico 4 headset. And thank you for watching my unboxing video. I hope to see you guys in my next video. See you next time.